Hello guys, welcome to our official, and this is a new Magsafe charger I just bought from Apple Store. And what I suggest you to guys to check the serial number over here on the official website of Apple. And if you get verified from it, then ready to buy the charger. Let's unbox it and let's see what's inside. These are the papers from Apple Store, maybe some in English and some in other languages. So ये रहा जी हमारा Magsafe का charger जो कि fully packed है. तो ये मैंने खोल लिया था वहीं पे check करने के लिए, and this is the one you can see. And if you zoom it down, and it should have the writing over here too. And let's check it out and let's see the charger how it goes. अच्छा जी, और कुछ लोगों का issue है कि charging मसला कर रहा है और हेल्थ बहुत ज़्यादा जो है ना डिक्रीज़ हो रही है. So I think this is because of the upgrade. So guys, this is the charger, okay, and I think it's very light in weight and it's in premium quality, okay, orange red or written over here. And the cable looks so good, okay. If you talk about the cable quality, it also seems to be good, or it's up to you that which charging port you are using, like charging adapter you are using right now. So I have this one, anchors. So guys, I'm having an issue that the anchor is charging good, but it also supplies a fast charger, but my battery health is decreasing by 2%. When I worked on it and I searched for it, then I get to know that this is because of the upgrade of 15.1. so don't worry about it. I think it will be fine soon. Let's hope that Apple will throw a good good software update, so easily plug it into this adapter or the one you are having, and then use Magsafe.